Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today we make these pepperoni and cheese stuffed rolls, so let's get started right away. In a large bowl, dissolve 42 grams of fresh yeast with 400 ml of warm fresh milk. Add in 200 ml of melted butter, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 2 teaspoons of salt, then mix thoroughly. Add approximately 6½ cups of all-purpose flour gradually while kneading. Cover the bowl with cling film and set aside for an hour to let the dough rise. Take walnut-sized pieces from the dough, flatten by pressing with your fingertips. Put diced pepperoni and grated mozzarella cheese mixture on their centers and roll them into balls. Place the balls on a parchment-lined baking tray and set aside for half an hour. Brush the balls with egg yolk and draw a plus shape using a knife. Finally, sprinkle with sesame seeds and bake for 20 minutes in an oven preheated at 200 degrees. Pepperoni rolls are ready to serve. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!